Yo, hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is day 35, wow, wow, wee of my little journey through Raft. Enjoying myself quite a bit. I was thinking this morning, because I've been watching a lot of Northern Lion recently, and he's sort of as far as I'm concerned, he's kind of the North Star when it comes to Let's Players for me. I love the banter. I love his just whole like style of just love his whole style. You know what I'm talking about? It's great. And I was thinking about how I am like, I need to find a way to tie in this anecdote or find a way to like make this make sense, make this relate to something in the game, like make jokes about the game. And I was watching him this morning and I was like, I should pay attention to what he does in a more like active way. And what I realized is my man does not do that even a little bit. He truly just is like starts talking about like whatever. I was just watching and he was just like, oh dude, you gotta like this new thing, it's incredible. Not related to anything, did not like get the information from chat, just like going for it, you know. And I appreciate that. I think it's good and cool. Oh, there's one of those pufferfish down there. I want to get them, kind of. But more importantly, I want metal. That's the more important thing. So with that in mind, I was thinking yesterday, I haven't like owned like just a regular pair of shorts in like, I want to say like 3 years. I want to say like 3 years. I've not owned just a normal bog standard pair of shorts. I have exercise shorts for sure, but what I've come to kind of realize is that in my day-to-day life, usually if it is something that I can go to with shorts on, it's something I can go to with exercise shorts on. Is there metal down here? No. Let's get some air. I'm gonna go get my arrows back and then go get some metal. Like, during the summer, I do go to like, you know, outdoor events and stuff, but it's not anything that anybody's like distraught that I'm like not dressed up enough. And then when I do need to be dressed up, I just wear pants. I just like wear shorts until I get there, and then I wear pants. What I'm saying is that you don't need shorts. Not necessary. Not a required like piece of clothing. That said, I would like to own some shorts, so maybe I'm not, you know. Can I? No, I can't just pick these up. Where is the underwater stuff? The water's so like deep. I should probably get one of the air things. I should probably build that, because you can build little dudes, little rebreather kind of things that give you a little more oxygen down here. And I'm truly not finding any fucking metal, am I? Oh, there's just a little, just a tad. But I think the shark's gonna be back soon. I don't even think I have that much time to like look at this. I'm gonna like drown trying to get these. Oh, there's like 4 over there. Okay. At least we got like what I would expect to get from like a small island, you know? Look at this shit. Unreal. Okay. Back below the sea. Dude, so I've been on like a slightly more of a productivity kick. I'm trying to learn to code. I'm trying to write my book. I'm trying to record more of these at a like sort of a little bit of a faster speed than I have been. Come and get it, bird. I fucking beg you. Yeah. I'm not sure if I hit him. Hard to say. Will you land down here again? You're like just far enough away that I can't like run to you and hit you before. Now I think inside there will be my little treasure. So I will pop over into that briefly. And who knows? There's usually metal in the little tunnel, so that's not nothing. Give to me my arrows back. Where am I? Who am I? What's happening? Metal. Eyes out for metal. I could also use some of them flippers just to move a little bit quicker. No metal. Get that though. There's hinges, there's scrap. That's like kind of as good as metal almost sometimes, because you can not use metal to make those things when you need them. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I've been on kind of like a productivity, grind set, like kind of kick. Not grind set. I'm not like too deeply attached to the like productivity as like part of my personality. I don't like consider it to be who I am as a general person, but I've just been trying to be a little bit better about how I manage my time. And so I've been like doing a little bit of journaling, not like super structured, but just like, oh, I want to write down like this idea I had. I want to write down this like thing I want to make. I want to write down these like the list of to-dos for the day or for this coming up weekend or whatever. And it's been like good for me, but it is like one of those things where I'm like, just some days I'm just not gonna do it because like there's so much stuff that I feel like is expected of you to do to be like a healthy / productive person. Like I feel like it's like, okay, so first you get up and you immediately drink 2 full like cups of water. Then you go floss your teeth, brush, do a whole skincare routine. Then you journal for 30 minutes. Then you read a book, a full book. And then you go and meditate. And then you go to the gym. And you drive back home. And you take a shower. And then you come back and you like go for your morning jog. And I'm just like, dude, at what point do these people go to work? Whoa. Nope, thank you. I just want to return my stuff first. Thank you very much. So we're taking some stuff with us. I do not need to take metals. I will have plenty of those. And I'll take these. And we're off. I have an axe too, which is nice. I'm not like gonna super worry about like wood on this island though. I'm gonna mostly focus on killing the big bird, going up to the trading station, and finding like the dirt and whatever. Night falls on you, much like it is falling on me now. Let's make our way up to the old thing. It must be. Oh, it's so fucking high up there. Okay, we'll find our way. We'll make our own way in this world, this crazy world. Get the dirt at some point. I didn't even see the bird. Is there a fucking boar up here? There fucking is. God damn it. I can't afford to fight you right now. I need all my arrows. Luckily you will not be able to use stairs, I'm sure. I hope. Combat. I'll fight the bird up here. It seems like the safest place to do it. Also, I can come up here and listen to these tunes. Where bird at? Their bird at. It's important not to panic in these situations. Bird. I'm like doing like high danger. Oh, am I gonna get to rank 3? No, not quite. Just buy some of this. And then you know what? Just get some metal ore for the sake of it. I wish I could just speed up the bird's sort of little cycle, you know? Make this whole process a lot easier. Just because I'm like, I feel like I'm just like standing here for like a full day just waiting for the bird to come and hit me a few times. Good crate. It's diving down to get some shit, I'm sure. Let's see. There he is. How many? Oh yeah, I have plenty of arrows. Chop down a mango tree because they're like actually, I should be growing them on my high value tree. It gives wood, it gives leaf, it gives food. It gives it all. I guess we'll start working our way back down. I got stuck on a rock, I think. Yeah. I was trying to move. Trying to get away. But I could not. Where's my boat at? Oh, there it is. Got him. Now you might be asking, why do I even care about killing the bird? Why not, like, just hop on my boat and get the fuck out of Dodge? And I would generally agree with that sort of thing. But there's an achievement to kill the bird like 50 times, which is just gonna take like fucking ages if I try and do it later. So I figure I might as well work my way up as I play. Maybe I'll look up before I start the next episode how many more times I need to kill the bird, so we have a running count available to us. Where is he? Is he coming for me? Does he care? I don't think he even cares, dude. Dude, I put so much into this relationship, and this bird does not even give a shit. Bird. Not a care in the world. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. After I finish this cave, I think it'll be morning, so we can head out. Listen to the cicadas go. Or crickets, maybe? Don't know. Look at all this dirt. I'm gonna have a fucking grassland on my boat. Oh, I'm actually out of inventory space. What can I toss? Don't need these. So much stuff. Okay, right, rope, plank, don't care. Shark dinner, don't really care. Okay. Cool. Alright, well I think it's morning, as dreary as it is, so thank you so much for listening, and have a good one. Later. Bye.